Hello students, today I am here with the chapter number system, and this time we are going to do only the conversions in this video. Well, so the first is number system conversions. What are the content we are going to cover today is this conversion of decimal to binary, conversion of binary to decimal, operations on binary number, binary addition and binary subtraction. So let's move on one by one. First of all, conversion of decimal to binary. Now as this is saying decimal to binary means, let's take one number. I'm taking 3-digit number. This is number in decimal, means base 10. This we are going to convert in number with binary. Well, now what is the method? I had already given you the rules in the previous video also. So let's make it here. We need to divide the number with 2. Why we are going to divide the number with 2? Because our conversion is in binary. So whose base is? Binary base is 2. And that's why we divide it with 2, and continuously we divide it, keep on dividing with 2 till we get the remainder less than 2, that is 1 or 0. So 2, 8 times 16, to 6 times 12, and what is left? 0. 0 remainder we have to write it here. 2, 4 times 8, to 3 times 6, and what is the remainder? 0. 2 times 4, to 1 times 2, and remainder is 1 here because this is 3. 2, 10 times 20, 1 is the remainder. 2, 5 times 10, 0 is the remainder. 2, 2 times 4, 1 is the remainder. And 2, 1 times 2, 0 is the remainder. Now I got 1 is less than 2, and hence we can stop here. Now how to write it down? First of all, we need to start from the bottom and go up to the base. So what is the answer for this one? It is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 0. This is the answer. Clear? Let's take one more example quickly. 27. Again the same method. We need to divide it with 2 to 1 times to 3 times 6. Remainder 1. 2, 6 times 12. Remainder 1 because this is 13. 2, 3 times 6. 0. 2, 1 times 2 and remainder 1. Now we have less than 2 and hence we need to stop it here. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is the answer. Means the question was 27 base 10 and its conversion to binary means 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 with base 2. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. So let's move on to the conversion of binary to decimal. Let's move here. Now, binary to decimal, the number we had calculated, suppose I'm taking 1, 1, 0 and 1 and 1. This is in binary. What is the decimal number? Let's calculate it. So 1, I'm giving some space, 1, 0, 1 and 1. As we need to convert it in decimal number, but this number is given in binary, so we are going to multiply it with 2. With all the digits, multiply it with 2. Right? But in between, put the plus sign because we need to add them. I'm just giving in a stepwise so that you will understand how I'm writing this. Let's move on. That it is having base as 2. So we need to give the power we need to find the weight of all these numbers. So what is the weight? LSD and MSD you must have learned in the class. So LSD and MSD we are going to list. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the weight of these binary numbers. So now all these weights we have to put on these 2. Means this 2 is having weight as 0, this is having 1, this is having 2, this is 3 and here it is 4, right? So what does it mean? 1 multiplied by, if you multiply 2 4 times, means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, what will be the answer? Let's do it here. Right? 2 times 4, 2 times 8, 2 times 16. I'm explaining you in this way so that nothing is going to miss, but be very careful. Now this is going to be 16 plus, now 2 multiplied by 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 8 means 1 multiplied by 8 plus 0 multiplied by 2 times 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 times, it is 2 itself, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0, this means 1. Now just multiply it. This is 16 plus 8 plus 0 multiplied by 4 is 0 plus 2 plus 1. This means it is equals to 16 plus 8, 24, 25, 26, 27 is the answer here. Means this 27 is in a form of decimal. So the answer is 27 in decimal. So as you have already learned decimal to binary, let's do an experiment to check that this answer is correct or not. So for that, what we need to do? Now we are going to convert this 27 to binary, right? As you know the method, what is the method? If you are going to convert this and this is going to come exactly like this, means our calculation is correct. This experiment you can do in your examination when you are not confirmed that your answer is correct or not. So let's do it. 27 to 1 times 2, 3 times 6, 1 is the remainder. 2, 6 times 12, 1 is the remainder. 2, 3 times 6, 0. 2, 1 times 2 and 1 is the remainder, right? Now let's take it from the bottom to the top and see. This is 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1. Means our calculation, this is similar to this question previous we have done, right? So I hope this is clear to you all, how to do the conversion of binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Now we are going to move on with operations in binary system. So let's see how many operations are there in binary system. There are two kinds of operations in binary system in your syllabus. First is binary addition, second is binary subtraction. Well, let's move on to binary addition rules. What are the rules binary addition? So here is a table you can see. Addition, if you are going to add 0 plus 0, the result will be 0 with carry as 0 or nothing. 0 plus 1 is always 1 and it's reverse. 1 plus 0 is always 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Only here you need to give the carry. But sometimes situation comes when you are going to add 1 plus 1 plus 1. In this situation, what you need to do, you have to put result as 1 and carry as 1. At both the places, you have 1 as 1. Now let's do one addition. 1 0 1 0, and you are going to add it with 1 1 1. This is the calculation. Now 0 plus 1 is what? Here you have 1. So I am writing here 1. Now here 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. So 0 here and carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 is again 0 with carry 1. So 0 with carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 again is 0 with carry 1, but we don't have any other digit here. So carry should be written here itself. So this is the answer. Let's do one more calculation of this. Now I'm taking a big number 1 0 1 1 1 and 1. Now I'm going to add it with 1 0 1 1 and 1. Now here 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 1, and now here I am having one more. You see, I had given this situation. 1 plus 1 means you are having answer as 1 and carry also as 1. Got it? Next, 1 plus 1 means again 1 with carry 1. This is not here. Then 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, and this 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. So what is the answer? 1 0 0 0 1 1 and 0 is the answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all. So let's move on to rules of binary subtraction. Let's understand rules of binary subtraction. As the table is given, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1. As you know, 0 minus 1 is not possible. So in this case, 0 will become 1 by borrowing. So this is 1 0 minus 1 is equals to 1, because the value of 1 0 is 2 in binary. So 1 0 minus 1 is equals to 1. Well, so let's take some examples to make it clear. 1 1 0 1, subtraction with 0 1 1 1. 1 minus 1, as per this rule, you can write 0. 0 minus 1, not possible. So 0 will go to the next number and borrow. Now this will be 1 and this is going to be 0. So 1 0's value is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, this is 0 here. So subtraction is not possible. It will borrow 1 from the next number and this number will become 0 and this 0 will be 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 means 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Then 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. So this is the answer. Let's take one more example. 1 0 0 0, subtraction 1 1 1. Now here 0 minus 1, not possible. It needs a borrow. Next, there again the next number is also not having 1. So it will go to another number. Again, there is no hope because it is 0 itself. Then it will go to the next number. And from here it will borrow. So this will become 0 and it will give 1 to this number. Now this number needs to give one number to the next number. So this 1 0 will become 1 itself and it will give 1 to this number. Now this 1 0 will again give 1 to the next number and it will become 1 itself. Now 1 0 minus 1 is 1 as per to this rule. Next, 1 minus 1 is 0 as per to this rule. Next, 1 minus 1 is 0 and now 0 is left alone. So 0, we have to write it down. This is the answer for this question. I hope this is clear to you all. I hope this is sufficient for now and everybody understood the things. So thank you for now. See you in next video.